In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user in QuickBooks Online. If you need to remove someone's access from your QuickBooks Online company, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. This can be useful if a team member is no longer working with your business, if someone no longer needs access, or if you just want to keep your user list clean and secure. Before you remove a user, it's always a good idea to make sure you're deleting the correct account, since removing access will prevent that person from signing into your company file. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online and look to the top right corner of the screen. There, click the gear icon. This is where QuickBooks keeps many of the account and company settings, so if you ever need to adjust access or permissions, this is usually the place to begin. Once the menu opens, select Manage Users. This will take you to the section where QuickBooks shows all the users connected to your company account. Here you'll see a list of users for your QuickBooks Online company, along with their roles or access levels. Take a moment to review the list carefully so you can be sure you're choosing the right person. Now, find the user you want to remove. Select that user and then choose the Delete or Remove option. The wording may vary slightly depending on your QuickBooks layout, but the option will be there in the User Settings or Action menu. After you click it, QuickBooks may ask you to confirm your choice. If it does, go ahead and confirm so the user can be removed successfully, and that's all there is to it. Once completed, that user will no longer have access to your QuickBooks Online company. As a helpful tip, after removing a user, you may want to quickly review the remaining users on the account to make sure everyone who still has access actually needs it. Keeping your user list up to date is a simple way to improve account security and stay organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you delete a user in QuickBooks Online quickly and confidently.